disgusting.
I might have to batten down the hatches.
Ah. Shah, on your way home, bring some battens.
Bring some battens and hatches and use them to down the batten it down the hatches.
I'm unsure which words in this are verbs and which ones are nouns.
All I know is it is windy. We must batten down hatches.
Bring either downs, battens, or hatches, and whatever's left over will probably be the verbs, and we will do that.
A combination of the above will do nicely.
Balls. Oh, balls. Stop that.
Sorry.